I open Microsoft Excel in my Windows computer, and suppose if I am going to simply typing in a cell, I am going to type here hi. Okay, later I change this again. I am going to type here hello. Okay, then I change it to type how. So if you want to undo these actions once again, then there is there is go to your computer keyboard, and you can see this is the control key and this is the Z key. So if you press this control key and this Z key, these two keys at the same time, then you can see that here it is changed to hello. And if you press once again, that is if you press this control key and this Z key, these two keys at the same time, then you can see that if you press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that here hi comes. For more videos you can subscribe.